I would like to explain one part of manufacturing technology this time. Manufacturing technology is aimed at product realization through physical conditions, work know-how and processes accumulating it in equipment. This is directly involved to make products. Many of these targets are trade secrets. Each company is trying to prevent important leaks by placing key technologies in addition to patent countermeasures and know-how protection. In this time, for this reason, I would like to explain some examples which can be released by many companies. The illustration shows some examples of accidents that occurred when each manufacturing technology was immature. If one physical condition will be the same accident will occur regardless of location or target any place without fail. Therefore, in the factory, manufacturing technology must use a measure to prevent the same problem from occurring in the manufacturing process. As everybody knows it, if a product accident or external complaint happens, it will have not only a major social impact but also a significant impact on the profit and loss of the company. Conversely, if your company owns technology that other companies do not realize, this is called core value. And this will greatly contribute to strengthening company competitiveness. For this reason, each manufacturing company individually develops manufacturing technology and manufactures products as shown in the figure. Many of manufacturing techniques are scientific physical quantity management. It will be top secret. Therefore, companies are rarely given examples of their contents. For this reason, I also presented only that image in this figure. I would like to be presented an example of the countermeasures being introduced by Ondeco here. This is a problem that occurred in the process of searching the surface of a bar with a centerless machine. After this problem solving shown in this figure caused never defects. This is an example of strengthening core value in this process. Improvement of processing technology was one of important items of requirements for the development of Japanese industry. For this reason, a lot of research beyond corporate barriers was advanced. The history and situation is as shown in this figure. This is a history showing that many veterans of processing greatly contributed to improvement of processing technology in Japan. However, at the same time, unfortunately, we have created an environment that anyone can process easily, even in developing countries. General cutting machine processing technology is available to everyone. However, unpublished advanced and special processing know-how will enhance corporate capabilities. This is a measure to strengthen core value in companies. This example is one of them. Please look at the URL of the figure for details, if you want to know it. I will introduce another excellent example. The figure is no looseness occurring screw in any vibration. This company will not disclose details of the processing details along with international patent protection of this type of content. I would like to illustrate a process of corporate efforts that was improved these kinds of sophisticated processing technologies. This figure is an initiative of Kamo Seiko Company, Limited. Mr. Imase, the president, promoted a strategy not to subcontract major companies. As a result, it is developing as a small but exciting enterprise.